Today we are going to cook a veggie burger, an egg Benedict and the poached egg. For the veggie burger, mix in a bowl 3 finely chopped mushrooms, 3 garlic cloves, 1 cucumber, 1 red pepper, 50 grams of gluten-free flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper, and then mix it in. Then add 50 grams of grinded walnuts, 2 grinded potatoes, 3 tablespoons of crushed tomatoes, and then form the patty. For the bun, you can use the shower buns or the ones in the description. Dry toast them and then add 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil and then add the patties. Pat them down and then fry them for 6-7 minutes. You can spread some vegan mayonnaise on the bun and then add the patty, onion rings and cucumber slices. Next up, in order to poach the egg, strain it and then create a vortex in the middle of the water while dumping in the egg in the middle of it. Boil it for 5 minutes. For the second method, you can heat up some water, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, dump in the eggs and then turn off the heat. Cover with a lid and let them boil for 5 minutes. For the hollandaise sauce, add 2 egg yolks, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of water and 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and add them to bain-marie. Slowly add 60 milliliters of melted butter while whisking constantly. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to a pan and then fry the buns and the pork slices. Enjoy and don't forget to like this video.